would just assume he was out, but I knew he wasn't. But again, I didn't say anything. Fast forward to now. About a week ago, my wife installed a tracker app on all our kids' phones due to it getting darker in the afternoon, when they are out. Plus, one of her friends recently did the same with her kids. Well, today she was looking for Leo and couldn't find him. Assuming he was out, she checked his location and he was in the house. She started searching and yelling for him. He heard and quickly climbed down the outside of the house to the drive. He then walks in the house and pretends that he was just out with some friends and got back, and that I knew he was out. I cover for him sometimes. Well, even though it is actually completely plausible that it would show his location as in the house if he was just walking up to it, she wasn't convinced and came to me, demanding to know where Leo. I said that he told me that he had been out with friends, but I just saw him walk up the driveway. Both true. She clearly wasn't happy about my answer and has been threatening more surveillance and grounding Leo, and she's also saying I'm tough for not telling her. I didn't think I was in the wrong, but after thinking it over, while I was just trying to look out for Leo, I did overstep her boundaries as a parent. So am I the asshole?